Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about 10 best ways for students to earn money online. Today, students can find a variety of jobs on the web and take on them in their spare time to make extra cash. You can use your existing skills to find online jobs, or develop new skills and take on various online jobs for students. If you are a student and looking for genuine online jobs, here are 10 best ways for students to earn money online. Best ways students can earn money online. Number 1. Freelance writing. You can pick writing jobs directly from a live job board, or have to bid on a job and hope that the job is awarded to you by the relevant client, depending on how the site works. Some sites may require you to take an English grammar and writing test, and some may require you to submit a sample or samples of your work, while others may require you to take a grammar test to evaluate your skills. If you pass any relevant test, the relevant site will let you take on writing jobs. Typically, writing jobs pay per word, article or project basis, or based on an hourly rate. Number 2. Data entry. Data entry is a simple job that students with basic computer and fast and accurate typing skills can do from the comfort of their computer. Typically, data entry work involves typing up data fast and accurately for clients. Many students earn money working part-time doing data entry jobs. You can find genuine data entry jobs on the following websites. Number 3. Virtual assistant jobs. Many virtual assistant jobs do not require secretarial or administrative skills to do. College students can use their organizational and communication skills they have developed while studying to do virtual assistant jobs for people and businesses. They can offer data entry, social media management, research, website maintenance, and other services. Payments can vary based on the tasks or services provided, hours done, and other factors. You can work with a single or multiple clients around your schedules. Here are some great sites to find virtual assistant jobs for students. Number 4. Translation jobs. If you are already bilingual or studying a second language or more, then you can use your language skills to earn some extra cash. Many companies like 1-800 Translate and World Lingo need help with translating various types of documents, academic papers, audio files, and many more things into another or more languages. If you are fluent in one of these in-demand languages, then you can earn some money on the side by providing translation service when you have free time. You can find translation jobs by joining translation agencies or freelance sites. There are different types of translation jobs to choose from based on your skill set. Here are some websites or companies where you can find translation jobs. Number 5. Taking surveys online. One of the best ways students can earn money quickly is to take paid online surveys. There are plenty of legitimate survey companies or sites that will let you create an account with their sites. If you fit the demographic that a survey is targeting, you will most likely qualify to take that survey. Number 6. Website testing jobs. Website owners often need people like you to test their sites in order to give feedback on their certain usability experience to the site owners. The test can take typically 10 to 20 minutes. Website testers are likely to make $10 to $20 per test based on the complexity and length of the test and the company offering the job. You may need a microphone and webcam to do website testing jobs. Here are some reputable sites that list website testing jobs. Number 7. Tutoring online. As a student, there are 15+ reputable online tutoring jobs you can join to find clients that need tutoring in subjects you are particularly knowledgeable about. These agencies will let you apply to become an online tutor and connect you with the students or clients that need help in your area or areas of expertise. You can do this work part-time, making some nice extra money to pay bills. You will need a Skype account and a high-speed internet connection to offer tutoring in academic or non-academic subjects. Here are some websites you can check out to find online tutoring jobs. Number 8. Selling items on marketplaces online. Students can not only sell their old stuff or unwanted things on eBay and other marketplaces online, but can also sell items that they have created themselves. You can also buy things in bulk from another supplier or more at cheaper prices and resell them at higher prices. You can earn some extra money by selling your old stuff online. You can sell only specific items via some marketplaces, while others let you sell a wide variety of used and unused things, including your own products, used clothes, textbooks, and used gift cards, old CDs, DVDs, and much more items online. Sell via marketplaces online such as Number 9. Do micro jobs online. One of the best ways for students to earn some extra cash is by doing small tasks or offering small services to businesses and people on a microgig site. There are many reputable microjob sites you can join to advertise your skills and services by posting any job that you can do or service you can sell for a fixed amount of money for each job done or service provided. You can use micro-gig sites to offer different types of freelance services or to do different types of jobs via your computer. You can do micro-gigs for various services such as writing for companies and people, editing articles, academic papers, etc., designing websites, designing logos, video editing, social media marketing, maintaining social media profiles, SEO services. You can even offer to sing a happy birthday song, create funny videos of yourself, and do more off-the-wall tasks. Marketing your skills is critical to reach out to your potential clients. Landing the first job is important, as one job will lead to another sooner or later. If a client likes your work and leaves good feedback, you can attract more clients. You can get more orders from existing clients if they were happy with your previous work. Popular microgig sites include Number 10. Blogging. Blogging could be a nice way for students to earn some extra cash. If you have a favorite hobby, you can just write content about it and share your content with others. You can blog about an academic subject or more you have good knowledge in, or write about non-academic topics on your blog. Once your blog starts getting some traffic, you can use a number of ways to monetize your blog. If you write quality posts on your blog on a regular basis, you will be able to attract a lot of users to your blog. Students can run and maintain a blog in their spare time. A blog with a steady amount of traffic can earn a solid side income regularly. To get started, choose a domain name that relates to your blog. Register your blog with a reputable domain registration company. Design your blog yourself or hire a freelance web designer to do it. By hosting service to publish your site on the web. Promote your blog using various marketing channels. Monetize your blog. Final thoughts on ways students earn money online. Making money online is entirely practicable for students. You just need to make sure that whatever job you want to do or service you want to offer, you are good at that. By earning money online doing an online job or more, students can pay down their student loans, pay bills, save for buying an expensive gift, and achieve any other financial goal. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon, Goodbees.